so you're not really going to see me. You're just going to see what I'm seeing. For those of you who don't know, I'm just going to put this out there. I'm not going to be doing any sort of pulls today because it's 10 to 7 in the morning, as you can see. I've just filled up with V-Power, and if I'm honest, I don't really want to waste it. So if this ain't for you, now's your chance to leave. So I wanted to make this video for a while now, and this is going to be me telling you guys how it is to daily commute a Stage 2 Golf R. But to start it off, it is quite windy in these cars. Now I'm not too sure if it's because of these wind deflectors. You can really hear the wind coming through. So I'm in eco mode. I'm doing about 60 miles an hour. I'm on a dual carriageway and I'm doing 32 mpg. Now this will climb slightly. Highest I've ever had is 38 mpg, and that's pretty much me sat on the M4 doing about 60 miles an hour in the left lane. You won't get much more than 38. I can't really remember what I used to get when I was running standard power, but 38 is what I can remember, and I can't get much more than that. That is about it. But I'm not complaining. Those of you who don't know, the car is running over 400 brake, so 38 mpg ain't too bad. That's pretty good. And like I've always said, if I wanted a car that's good on fuel, I'd have bought a GTE or a GTD. I'd like to know, guys, do any of you daily your Mark 7Rs or your GTIs? I'm sure a lot of you do, and if so, is it modified? Has it got an exhaust on it? Has it just got wheels on it? Is it just lowered? Is it stage 1, 2, 3? Has it got any sort of clutch in it? Let me know in the comment section, because I'd like to know that I'm not the only one just driving about every day in Stage 2 Golf R. Now, I know if it was DSG it'd be a lot easier to do. It's easy to do anyways, you really do just get used to it. But if it was DSG, you wouldn't have that clutch. You wouldn't have to struggle to pull off slowly in busy traffic, or when you're getting your breakfast from McDonald's drive-through. That's something that I could do with, to be honest with you, is you're on your daily commute, no need to worry about a clutch, just stick it in, drive, and just drive it, I suppose. I'm running is a Satch sintered clutch. Then people ask me, how heavy is it? It's not too heavy, if I'm honest. It is heavier than an organic, which is obvious, but it's nothing you can't use every day. I use this car every single day. It's not too heavy, you really do get used to it, and it really does loosen up. It's got a nice feel to it, if I'm honest. It's got a nice weight. It's really snappy. The only thing I find with it, when you're trying to pull off a set of lights, or you're stuck in traffic and you're pulling off slowly, it does shudder. Now, you do get used to this. Some people really don't like shuddering. It's really not too bad, and you do get used to it. You pull off, it feels almost as if you're riding it, and it's shuddering, but you're not riding it. It's got that weird feel to it, if I'm honest, but I'm really happy with it. I would really recommend going, and it holds Also, the organic Sag clutch whole stage 2 power, it's just down to personal preference. I wanted a more raw feel, so this is why I went for a sintered clutch, and I'm really happy with it. Really recommend any sort of Sag clutch if you're going to modify your Mark 7 GTI or your Golf R. But the other thing, and this has just reminded me, the other thing with this clutch is, say I'm in 5th gear now, I'm in 5th, and it says 5th gear, go up to 6th. So the car's telling me to go into 6th gear. However, because of this aftermarket clutch, if I do it, the car's shuddering. Now, I'm not too sure what this is, but it's only done it since I've had the clutch fitted, and I think the clutch isn't happy. So the car thinks it should be in 6th gear because of the amount of revs it's on and the speed, but the clutch says otherwise. But you do get used to it, and it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, overall, really happy with this clutch. Really snappy, has a nice weight to it. Would really recommend one. Auto hold is on, and I'm not too sure if you heard that, but that was the clutch shuddering away, which is fine. It's fine, I'm used to it. Into McDonald's drive-thru, this is needed. I'm absolutely starving. Thanks. Yeah, so what I'm trying to pull off in the drive-thru now, you sort of got to give it a little bit more revs than you normally would. Also, I've picked up this today from Shell. It's just, well, pretty much they give you a Shell Drivers Club card, and I'm always filling up a V-Power in Shell, and I thought, why not just get one, just to get something back, I suppose, even if it's something really little. So, but yeah, not too sure how handy they are, or how good they are, or how good the rewards are, but yeah. Point out, even with a manual and with stage 2 software, you put this car into eco mode and it just drives like a normal car. You would never think it's got the amount of power it does have. To some people, I know it's not a lot of power and all this, but to me 400 and whatever is enough, because I know some of you guys are running 550 brake horsepower, 600 brake horsepower. They are numbers that I can only dream of, but for now my 400 plus bhp will do me fine. But yeah, it drives like a normal car, but as soon as you put it into race mode, it just wakes this car up. It's a totally different car. It really does bring it to life. But I wanted to make this video. I wanted to find out if any of you guys daily you were Mark 7Rs or GTIs, and also to talk a little bit about my clutch. But also, there is more sound videos coming to the channel. I've got currently 2 Polos, one's a 9N3, one's a 6C, so be sure to check them out. They will be coming soon. And if any of you guys want your car to be featured on the channel as a sort of sound video, direct message me over on Instagram or leave a comment in the comment section down below, because I enjoy doing them and hopefully you guys enjoy watching them as well. And also today I've got more car parts coming, and it's going to finish off this car nicely. That's all I'm going to say. We've got more content coming. It isn't stopping. I know I'm going at a slow pace, but it's because I work quite a lot of hours and I pretty much record when I've got free time, and trying to get free time is the difficult part. So this is pretty much it from me. If any of you guys did go on to enjoying this video, please leave a like rating down below. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to check out R50 Motive over on Instagram for daily posts. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for weekly content, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.